Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Cardano, or ADA, from Coinbase to Exmo in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to move your assets between exchanges, this step-by-step tutorial will make it easy and hassle-free. By the end, you'll be confidently handling your transactions like a pro. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Exmo. You'll need your Exmo wallet address ready. Double-check that it's for the Cardano network to avoid any mix-ups. Also, ensure you have enough ADA in your Coinbase account to cover the withdrawal amount plus any network fees. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Head over to the dashboard and find your ADA wallet. Click on it to open the details. Next, look for the Withdraw or Send button. It's usually right there on the screen. This is where the magic happens. Step 2. Enter the withdrawal details. You'll need to paste in your Exmo wallet address. Be precise here. One wrong character could send your ADA to the wrong place. Select the Cardano network if prompted, as it's essential for compatibility. Then, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, fees can vary, so check the estimated total before confirming. Step 3. Review and confirm the transaction. Coinbase will show you a summary. Double-check everything for accuracy. Once you're good, hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, and the transaction will start processing on the blockchain. This might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Now, for some quick tips. Always use two-factor authentication on both platforms to keep your funds secure. Keep an eye on gas fees, as they can eat into your withdrawal. And if you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. There you have it. That's how you withdraw Cardano from Coinbase to Exmo in 2025. It's simpler than it sounds once you get the hang of it. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.